Remember how Chijioke used to go and help in the mechanic workshop while we lived in Enugu? He learned about all the different tools and made many friends. And of course, we had to go and say hello upon our arrival.
Did you go over there?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome. Okay. That guy's grown. Look at the balls here, man. Lolo, you're welcome. What's that? No.
He was so excited to greet his former boss, the manager, and his friends from the workshop.
I swear.
They even wanted to know when he will start his work again.
Very soon, very soon. Okay, very soon, yes, I see your work.
Good memories indeed.